Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with a project share, and this project share is for our Christmas collab that me and Tree are doing. Basically we are trying to make Christmas cards, Christmas projects, birthday cards, birthday projects for the birthday collab, and we are alternating these every other week. So as always, I am pretty behind again. Like always, I apologize, you guys. I am very inconsistent, so I do apologize. So anyways, this is what I came up with. It's not all that, but I figured I could put these like in when I send out Christmas packaging or Christmas happy mail or something. I figured I could put these in there, and that's one. And this is actually a print out that I got on Pinterest, I believe. So I got this at Pinterest, and I got it last year, and I printed it and didn't use it, so I found it in my stash, so I went ahead and used it. And here's another one. And here's my other one. So what did I use? I have these manila cardstock, pieces of cardstock that I've had in my stash for like ever. So what I did, I just went ahead and folded them in half. I used red scraps and, well, of course, the printed digitals that I had. Excuse me. And here is another one, and I just went ahead and blinged it where I thought it needed some bling, and that is about it, you guys. I am so sorry again. Oops, we are like so behind. I don't know how we become so behind, but you know, yeah, that's what happens. So anyways, I hope you guys like my little mini project, and we will see you next week for our birthday. So I will start working on those. And there you go. Thank you again for taking the time to watch, and we will see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.